جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هداه. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed on our channel. First we read the Madani Qaida to read the Quran easily and in better way. Madani Qaida means the basic book for beginner to learn Quranic Arabic. In this Madani Qaida, all the rules of Tajweed are described, and which each rule there is a small exercise. With the help of this exercise, we can easily learn to read the Holy Quran easily. So let's start with the name of Allah. Please read A'udhu Billah and Bismillah after me. A'udhu, repeat after me. A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. Read again. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will start lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is called Huroof Mufradat. Mufradat means Arabic alphabets. In this lesson we will identify these letters and how to pronounce these letters. When I pronounce any letter, so you repeat after me. So let's start. Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. Next one is Ba. Ba. Ba have one dot below the shape. Next letter is Ta. Ta. Ta have two dots above the shape. Sa. Sa. Jim. Jim. Ha. Ha. Ho. Pronounce this letter with heavy sound. Ho. Next letter is Dal. Dal. Zal. 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 Next one is Ra. Ra. Pronounce with heavy sound. Za. Za. Sin. Sin. Shin. Shin. Sod. Sod with heavy sound. Zod. Zod. We will end today's class here. You must practice this lesson hour and hour again. We will meet again inshallah in next class. Allah Hafiz.